Ever felt like you're leaving money on the table when you book your next trip? If you have a Capital One miles earning credit card, you actually have access to a powerful tool designed to get you maximum value, the Capital One Travel Portal. It's more than just a place to redeem your miles, it's a smart booking engine that helps you travel smarter, not just cheaper. So, how does it all work? Let's dive in. The Capital One Travel Portal, powered by Hopper, is your all-in-one platform for booking flights, hotels, and rental cars. The key benefit is simple. When you use the portal, you can redeem your Capital One miles at a fixed value of 1 cent per mile. This means 10,000 miles is always worth $100 towards travel booked in the portal. But that's just the start. The real advantage lies in the unique smart booking features. First up is price prediction. When you search for a flight, the portal uses advanced data analysis to tell you one of two things: either book now because the price is expected to rise, or wait because the price is likely to drop. This guidance alone can save you significant money. If the portal recommends you book now, you often get price drop protection built in for free. If the price of that flight drops within 10 days of your booking, Capital One will automatically issue you a travel credit for the difference, up to a set amount. That's a huge safety net. If you're not ready to book, you can set up a price watch alert. The portal constantly monitors the price of your desired itinerary and sends you a notification when it's the best time to buy. For a small fee on flights, you can also use the price freeze feature. This lets you lock in the current price for a set amount of time, giving you a chance to finalize plans without the fear of the price jumping. If the price goes up during your freeze, you only pay the frozen price. If it goes down, you pay the lower price. Beyond flights, the portal is fantastic for earning bonus rewards on hotels and rental cars. Depending on your Capital One card, you can often earn an elevated 5x or even 10x miles per dollar spent when booking hotels and cars through the portal. And for those with premium cards like the Venture X, the portal is where you'll find luxury programs like the Premier and Lifestyle collections, offering perks like room upgrades, experience credits, and complimentary breakfast at select properties. Whether you're using cash to earn bonus rewards, redeeming miles for a flat rate, or taking advantage of the smart booking tools, the Capital One Travel Portal is a powerful piece of your travel strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.